Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you this really easy Dollar Tree DIY. It's a double-sided wood chalkboard tabletop easel. So first you'll need some black foam board. These are 10.5 by 10.5. So you'll also need 3 packs of the tumbling tower game pieces. First you're going to need 4 rows of 16 pieces each, and you're going to glue these together like so. Next, you'll need 4 rows of 10 pieces each, and this is what you'll have once you're done. So now you're going to go ahead and assemble these rows together. It doesn't matter if you're using brown and the light mixed together like I did, because we're going to paint it anyway. So here you'll just assemble it. You're going to put the 2 rows of 16 will be on the left and the right, and then you'll have a row of 10 on top and 1 towards the bottom. So go ahead and assemble 2 of these, 1 for the front and 1 for the back. Now I'm adding the cut foam board to it. I have hot glue on the opposite side of this, and I'm just gluing it down onto the wood now. You could use E6000. I used the hot glue and it worked fine for me. Next step is, well, actually this would have been before gluing down the foam board, but I messed up a little bit. But I'm painting over this with black chalk paint, and that's going to cover all the wood and make it look one color. You won't see the brown from the light color wood. Once I've painted this completely with the black chalk paint, I then brushed some white chalk paint over it, and this is what it looks like. So the next thing I'm doing is taking some chalk, and I'm just covering the foam board with some chalk, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off just to give it a look of a worn chalkboard. So now I'm just writing with a chalk pen, Farmhouse Kitchen on one side, and on the other side I have menu. So remember, this is a double-sided board. This would be really cute just for kitchen decor. Remember, it's not too big, so it's just perfect for countertop. Also, if you were having like a party and you have a dessert table, it would be perfect. Or you could use it as a welcome sign for like a rustic wedding. So the next step, I'm just gluing the 2 tops together. You could use like small hinges if you wanted to. The glue worked just fine. I just glued on top of the foam board and glued the 2 foam boards together. This is what it looks like on top. So the next step, I just cut a piece of ribbon to attach it to the front and back to hold it from sliding open all the way. And this holds it in place, so you can close it and open it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy Dollar Tree DIY. If you did, please go ahead and leave me a comment. Give that thumbs up, share the video, and if you're new, subscribe, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next DIY.